welcome back to my channel. Welcome to KIKO, my canal. So guys, today I'm here. I want to do another makeup look tutorial. So today I'm trying a new method. Normally I first do my eyeshadow before ever I do the rest of my face, but today I've tried something new. I've done the rest of my face. I've done my eyebrow, I've done my foundation, concealer, I've set my face. So now the only thing is to bronze and contour. That is what is remaining. I've never done my makeup like this, so it's like my first time ever doing my makeup like this. So I hope it's turned out good. I hope I don't have a lot of fallout. I hope this look will turn out very nice, because I just want to try different things. So I'm going to do a quick eyeshadow using this Morphe eyeshadow palette. I have done one look of this palette, so today I want to come and try this one here. Well, I've done one look, so today I want to come and try like the reddish shade here. So that is what I'm about to do, the shade here. So I have already set my eyes. First I use concealer on my eyes, and then I go in with a setting powder to set. So after doing that, now we are going to I don't know what to do. We are going to transition. I'm going to take this red color here, like a little bit red orange, but very vibrant color. I'm going to use this to transition. Tell me what you guys think of my new setting. I'm using my new camera. Tell me what you guys think of the setting and the audio. I'm using a mic, so I want to know if you guys if the audio quality is good. Can you guys hear the kit? And if I'm looking down, that's because I'm looking on the mirror, because you guys know I'm home with the kids, so I'm trying to like look out for something that wouldn't pick all the noise in the house. So so far so good. I'm not having any crazy fallout. That is absolutely beautiful. The shade, oh, it's so beautiful. This is good. I'm loving it. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going in with a smaller brush. I'm just going in with this dark, a little bit dark red, just to darken that color a little bit. I'm not gonna bring it all the way up. I'm just gonna like put it on the crease here, like just blend it inside the crease, you know, just like just to make sure that so far so good. I'm not getting any like fallout on the palette. I'm getting fallout, but I'm not getting any fallout on my eyes. So that is good, because sometimes whenever I see people do their makeup like this, I'm always like, are you not going to get fallout? But so far so good. I haven't get any fallout. I'm just going in with that fast brush. We're going to blend. I want to go in with the shade. So what we're going to do now, we are going to cut crease the eyes. Take my brush. I'm going to take my cut crease canvas. Is almost finished. It's almost finished, guys. This cut crease almost finished. I forgot. I ordered some new concealer, and I absolutely forgot to pick a new one up. After I have paid for the ones I bought, I realized that I should have got a new cut crease canvas, but then I already paid, so I was like, I just have to manage because you comes to cut crease, like you really have to like very, very careful and like stay quiet and focus. So we focusing, really focusing on the eyes. I don't want to mess up this cut crease. I think that is good for now. So now what we're going to do is I'm going to take another smaller brush. Where is my smaller? Where is? I always have like these really tiny brushes. Now you need it, you can't find it. So I'm going to take a little bit of this dark red and this brown. I'm going to use it to darken the outer corner. But first, let's start with the red. Just going to put it over the outer corner. Maybe I don't even need the brown. I'm just going to do this. The colors are hella pigment. This is very, very catch that. Alright, catch me outside. Like, you can see how beautiful that is. Like, this is my first time doing my eyes like this. Okay, so now what we're going to do is, I don't even know what color. I feel like going in with this glitter hair, but this glitter is not part of this set, so we're not going for that. Should we try this color here, this shade? You know what I want to do? I want to, because I've put a cut crease canvas here, I want to put a little bit, I don't know where okay, yeah. I just want to add a little bit of the NYX glitter primer on the eyes, so that, because I know with the Morphe brush, when you use your finger, the color really stand out, but when you use brush, for some reason, sometimes it doesn't. So I'm just going to take a little bit of this primer. I'm going to use it just a little bit. Use the other side. Kids crying in the background, if you guys can hear. Yeah, I think that is enough. So now we're going to take, where is my brush? Yes, we're going to take this small brush and let's get this one. So I'm going to take that small brush. Let's try this color here. So I'm gonna try this one. I'm just gonna first make sure I get that on the brush. Okay. It's pretty Let's do the crazy face expression. I'm so careful because your girl do not want any fallout. Can we just say yes, I did it? When I say this color is, this shade is pigment, I'm not playing with you guys. It's absolutely beautiful. Like, this palette has some really gorgeous shades here. guys like it? So now I'm going to finish these eyes and I'll be back. Stay tuned. So now it's time to quickly do the under eyes. I'm going to use these two dark reds to do the under eyes. I'm just gonna mix these two together. Excuse the crazy face expression. I didn't have that like a crazy fallout, didn't have that, so which I'm kind of happy for, you know. Quickly do the lip. I'm going to use this. Oh, my lip gloss. I'm going to use this Makeup Revelation lip gloss. So now I'm going to take this KIKO lip gloss in number 21. Beauties, this is the finished result with the eyeshadow. I really love how this look turned out. It's really beautiful. I didn't use any eyeliner. I just let the bold eyes and everything. Tell me if you guys love this method of doing makeup. This is my first time ever trying something like this. I've never really done this before, but I really like. I feel like it kind of speed the makeup because you guys already know how I do my eyebrow, how I do my foundation, liquid illuminator, contour and highlighting. You guys already know how I do that. So I feel like this method really speed the video, make the video a little bit shorter. I'm not gonna promise that I'm gonna be doing all my makeup like this because there are some eyeshadows that will do fall out and I really don't know what to do. But for now, so far, first try, I really love it, and I really love this look. So tell me what you guys think in the comment box, and I hope you guys like this. If you guys still give this video a thumbs up, that is how I will know, and that is how you will tell YouTube dat you like the makeup look that I'm doing. Vergeet niet te abonneren, geef deze video een duim omhoog. Dat is de manier dat jij mij laten weten dat jij mijn video leuk vindt. Alsjeblieft, duim omhoog, vergeet niet te delen. Laat even je commentaar in de commentbox en alle informatie die je nodig hebt staat in de beschrijvingsbox. Als je vragen hebt, laat mij weten in de commentbox. Ik ben heel benieuwd om je vragen te lezen en antwoord te geven. This is your girl Amy and hoop ik jullie zo snel mogelijk te zien. Hope to see you guys very soon. This is your girl Amy. Bye.